$575,000. That's the median price of a single family home in Miami. Think about that for a second. $575,000 for a single family home. Hi, my name is Barry Cessna. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Cape Coral, Florida. And over the last several months, we've seen an influx of folks from the Miami-Dade County area making the shift and moving to Cape Coral here on the southwest Gulf Coast of Florida. Why are they moving? Well, for many good reasons. Cape Coral provides a more relaxed way of life. Less traffic means more time with your family, a more affordable lifestyle. The cost of living is 12.5% higher in Miami than Cape Coral. And the cost of buying a home is 36.2% higher. Cape Coral has many great outdoor activities such as boating on our 400 miles of canals, fishing, or spending the day at the beach. We have plenty of great restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. And the sunsets here are incredible. Now, the best time to buy is now. I have a great relationship with the local builders, and they are currently selling brand new 3-bedroom homes never before lived in, like the one right behind me here, for just $335,000 right here in Cape Coral. And the 4 bedrooms are selling for only $345,000. These are great lots. They're almost a quarter acre, giving you plenty of room for family get-togethers, a dog, or even a swimming pool. They even come with an open floor plan as well as a 2-car garage. Contact me today and take advantage of these amazing incentives and great prices. Click the Learn button below to get more information. Oh, and just one more thing. You can reserve your brand new home for only $5,000. Now, there's a limited supply, so you have to call today or very soon to start living the Cape Coral way of life. My name is Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral real estate agent, and I look forward to your success.